Hey guys, it's Sashi here. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys 2 ways to achieve these quick and easy invisible locks. Alright guys, so for this style, you're going to need your Shine and Jam edge control of choice clips. Need rubber bands to do the knots, comb, scissors, scrunchie, afro twist hair in 24 inches. So there you go. So since we're doing a bob style, we don't need for it to be like super long. So now we have twice as much hair. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to split this in two. So I'm going to take my Shine and Jam and I'm going to put it at the base. And then I'm going to do a flat twist, you guys. And this is such an easy way to twist, you guys. You're just really rolling the hair. And then I'm going to take another clip to keep this in place, because if I don't use a clip, if I let it go, it's going to unravel on me and it's going to get really loose. We don't want that, so we're going to take another clip just to secure it while we do the other flat twist. It's also okay if the flat twists are going in the exact same direction. So now we're going to take a section of hair. We're going to do, let's say about this thickness. This should be good. And we're going to pretty much do like we're doing a rope twist. We're going to unravel one side. We're going to take the hair at the base. And we're just going to roll it. Okay, then we're going to remove this one. We're going to connect it. Going to roll it. And now we're going to start twisting. And we're going to be twisting it like it's a rope twist. So it's looking super nice, you guys. So now we are going to figure out like the length that we want it. I want it to be like bob length in the back and then kind of come down a little bit in my face. So I'm going to just take the end and I'm pretty much going to do like a bantu knot. So I'm going to wrap it up. It's nicely wrapped. But to secure it and make sure that it's good, I'm just going to add a rubber band so that it doesn't unravel on me. Boom. So here's the first one down, a few more to go. Alright guys, so I decided that I wanted to try another way to do this style, and I found it to be a lot easier than how I did the first row of my hair. But let me show you guys what I have so far. So this is how I look so far. But you guys, I am going to actually crochet the hair in. So let me take my glasses off to show you guys what I did. And y'all, it made it just so much easier. And I wish I would have just started, you know, doing it this way instead of trying to feed the hair in, because with the feeding process, my hair felt not tight enough. And I know, you know, generally when we get our hair done, we don't want it to feel too tight, but still we want to feel a little bit of tightness, and I just felt like the back didn't feel tight enough. So I started doing it this way and I like it a lot better. So I'm starting doing the regular twist like how I did the back, or the flat twist I should say. Okay, so once I'm done here, just gonna take this out, just cross it over here, and then I'm gonna get a rubber band. Okay, that feels pretty good, and it also looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna take my hair, instead of putting it directly aligned, I'm gonna just shift it over and put it here just so I can lengthen it a little bit. And then I'm gonna twist it up, and I'm gonna get my crochet needle, you guys. Put it right through there. And pull it, just pull one side through. Okay, kind of even it up. Split this in two and just get to twisting. And I'm doing more like a rope twist type motion. So I'm rolling the hair first before I twist it. Okay. So as I said, I want it to be like an asymmetrical bob. So I'm just gonna go a little bit further than the one in the back. I'm gonna take it right here, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it upwards. So this is how it looks when it's wrapped, and then I'm gonna take a rubber band to just secure it. Perfect. All right guys, so I'm done with the back portion of my hair. That only took one bundle, so I'm about to use a new bundle. But with this bundle, I'm not going to be cutting the hair. I'm going to use it as is because I do want the front parts to be a little bit longer than the back. This is the Even New York Extreme Firm Hold. Take this, and I'm just gonna put this on my edges. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this protective style video, I do have a playlist of a ton of protective styles that I've done on this channel. So I'll link it in the iCards above and also in my end screen. So definitely check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!